Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you what I have learned in 1 month of learning how to draw a wolf, or mostly just a wolf, canine type stuff. Let's get on with it. I'm gonna show you as many attempts as I can possibly do, and I'm gonna try to explain some of them. Well, technically it's 1 month minus 1 day. It was on the 29th of September. Now it's the 30th of October, and I'm probably only gonna get this out maybe on the 1st of November, but anyway. This was the first attempt. Did not go well. Date is down in the corner, if you can see. Did not go that well, but for first attempt I would say it's good. Not learned anything, not looked anything up, just did it. Attempt number 2 is here. Try to focus on more of a head thing. Okay, not the best, also made on the 29th. And I was like, okay, I can't do a full body, let's try and focus on the face. And it looks good except for those teeth right there. That makes it actually to me look like more like a bunny. No, it's not a bunny, the rest of it doesn't look like, but yeah, that looked well. So for the next attempt I try to not make a mouth. So here we have the third attempt. This one is made on the 30th of the 9th. Yeah, 30th of the 9th month. Yeah. And I tried to go for more head. Now for this I had watched a YouTube video, but it was hours later when I drew this. What I'd watched was an animation video, and I was like, wow, that mouth nose area looks better. So it was more of a square mouth nose area in that video. And tried to go for it, and it did end up looking better. And for the next attempt I tried 3D ears. That's the most important thing, and this is the 4th attempt. Attempt is up here, date is down here, but these attempt numbers are in Danish. 4th attempt at drawing a wolf is what it says. 4th attempt at drawing a wolf. Now, since it's in Danish, you're not gonna know, but just know the number up here is for the attempts. The next attempt is the 5th attempt, and what I did was that I tried a different color scheme, and I tried a brown snoot or a brown nose mouth area, and I tried this instead of this type of thing. I tried this, which I think looks better, so I did that. Then I tried again, and I added these 2 small ones. Instead of having none, I added these 2 small ones, and now it's the 3rd of I think it's October, yeah, 3rd of October. And this is the 6th attempt, and I also tried brown ear, and the brown ear was actually started here, I think. Yeah. Now for the next attempt, it's the next attempt is the 7th. Now this next one, I tried to draw the full body again, and that's when I realized I'm terrible at that. I'm terrible. This was the 7th attempt, and that's when I realized I can't draw full bodies. So I went back to drawing just faces. This time I did not have anything new to try with the wolf really, so I tried a background. Now the next one here is when I tried a full body again. Now for this one there's a bit more to explain. So as you can see, I tried a full body, and I tried that kind of back sloping leg that the wolves have. I watched the video yet again, but this was still made some hours after, and then I was like, I'm not good at making the body. Then I was like, to myself, I said, just try this kind of method next time, and it's the 3-circle method of making something like that. And I think that method, that's the method I used here. I also pointed out to myself where the joints in the leg are. And yeah, I'd watched a video about it, so I pointed that down while I still could. For this next one, I tried and I did my first good full body attempt, and it was the 10th attempt at drawing a wolf on the 9th of 10th. And then I did not do anything for a few days until the 13th. So, a good chunk of time. Then, the next one, I tried a different mouse and a different eye color thing, and also I tried different mouth flower, tried different way to do the eye color, and I tried to make a full brown leg on the front. The next attempt was better. I also picked a name. This is Dakota. I tried different ears, and for this one I decided to go with just a little bit of brown there and a bit of brown stuff here in the middle. And then also a bit of brown down here, and yeah. Then the next one is the 13th attempt. Now, this one I tried to draw 3D face, and I decided to draw a character I hadn't done before. Say hello to Coden. Why half his face is black, or it's meant to be shadow, a shadow kind of thing, is something that I'm not going to tell you right now. If you ask in the comments, I might, but I don't want to take the time to explain that right now. But anyway, 15th of 10th, first 3D head. I think it looks okay. I'm not good with the fur on the side of the face though. I have noticed that. Then on the 14th attempt I tried again. This time it's Dakota, and it's probably my best 3D head attempt, and it's on the 14th attempt. On the 16th. Then the next ones are another Dakota, and it's the 15th attempt, and it's on the 17th. Don't think I tried anything new here, but then the next one, new character. Say hello to Müller. The reason why I think Müller is funny is because Müll is German for trash, so it's basically like naming your child Trasher, but it's apparently also a pretty common German last name, so it's both funny and pretty normal. And it's a Dalmatian / wolf mix. It lives in northern Schleswig-Holstein. So yeah. And there's a collar kind of thing with Danish and German flag. Yeah, it's because it lives in. More information comes up here, but first we're going over to the 17th attempt. Again, this is another full body attempt, and the face is a bit messed up this time. And for the next one, here we have some more information over here about the character. But anyway, this is the 18th attempt, and on the 23rd, and it's probably my best drawing. No. This is my best drawing of Müller. This is... But anyway, here's some more information. You can read it if you want. If you can read it. Next attempt. A full body drawing of Müller. Just made over 2 days. And it's the 19th attempt. The next attempt is another 3D head. And it's this time I tried to make one of these information sheets about Dakota, but there isn't too much about the Dakota to do, or that much stuff on that. Then there is not so much left. There is this, and I did some notes up here. But anyway, I tried to make a new character. Well, so I left some notes up here. Stuff for future me. Pick an eye color. I couldn't pick the eye color, so it's just a mix of a bunch of different ones. It doesn't look good. Then in Danish it says make the nose smaller. Yeah, I can see why. And then different color scheme. Everything just went wrong here. Then on this next one, I will say I did look up on Google for this next one. This next one is my attempt at drawing a fox from a picture from Google. So I looked at a picture, and if you want to know what picture it is, then I gotta find my phone. I'll try it up here, and you're not going to see anything on my phone except what I want to show you. Can you see the similarities? I hope you can, but yeah. The last thing, I'm not finished with this yet, but this was made on the day, and like the 29th, but since I'm not finished, I have not added the attempt number up here, and it's not finished with coloring. That's all as far as I know. It's another one of Decodo. Anyway, what do you think I learned over this 1 month? I think I learned something. I learned how to draw first of all. Not that I didn't know anything, but I did in fact learn how to draw. Not that well, since it's only a month, but I did learn how to draw. So yeah. Anyway, I think I'll try to make this a monthly update if you want to. Maybe on the 1st of each month, because that's how long I think it'll take to edit this. So yeah, that's what my plan is so far. Let me know if you want to see that. So anyway, goodbye.